Wouldn't you love to learn how to take your staircase risers from looking like this, dirty and dingy, to looking like this? Well, just stay tuned. Well, today I will be showing you how I am going to redo the risers on my stairs. Now I have a video already out showing you how to wallpaper your stairs, but I went to Walmart the other day and I seen this contact paper. So it has a pretty print on it and everything. And I decided to try to put this up against my stairs to see if it's going to give it a different look. All right, guys, if you have not yet, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Okay, guys, well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this old contact paper off. And the way that I am going to do it, well, this is not contact paper, this is wallpaper that's on here now. And it's sticking pretty good. So the way that I'm gonna get this off is by using my steamer. Okay, guys, so you're going to take your contact paper, you're going to roll it out. On one side, it has lines and everything. So this is my strip. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're just going to peel the back off and we're going to stick it to our stairs. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so we're going to take our paper and we're going to peel it. See? We're just going to peel it. Now, guys, take your time. Make sure your surface of your stairs are wiped off. And take your time in doing this. I have me a squeegee here. And it's as easy as that. Now, what I like about this is, guys, this would be so much easier to wipe off. So much easier to wipe off, and I love the colors that's in it. Doesn't that look beautiful? I think it adds a little bit more pop and color than just the plain white. And because of the finish on this paper, you can wipe it off better. You can wipe off the wallpaper, but I really like the color that it's giving off. So I'm going to do the rest of my stairs and I will come back and show you the finished result. Alright guys, I'm still working. These are my risers on my step. I have just 2 more to go and I will be done. But guys, it is looking absolutely wonderful. These stairs are looking great. I'm glad I did it. Okay guys, I am done. The paper was able to do my downstairs, and it was also able to do going upstairs, and that is 16 steps. So it is done. Alright guys, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe, stay blessed, and until next time guys, bye.